Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a Shein haul, and I have quite a few items, so I do want to jump right into the video. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. So this is my box order. I ordered quite a few things. It is my birthday month, so I decided to treat myself to some birthday gifts for myself. I bought myself some things, and I actually have two orders. So I have this one and another order coming in, which I will also be doing a haul on. I bought two pairs of shoes, but I also purchased a couple of pairs of shoes from Shoe Dazzle and Just Fab. So I'm going to add the shoes to that haul, to that shoe haul. But yeah, let's go ahead and open up the box. Also, I will be linking all the items below, so if you want to purchase them yourself. I am honestly really impressed with these items that I purchased. I like to look at reviews that have pictures on them. If it does not have pictures, I will not buy it just because I'm not sure how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with accessories. So the first two things I'm going to show you guys are some of my favorite items, to be honest. I bought two headbands. I bought this one. I think this would look really cute with some like mom jeans, a white tee, and like a heels of any of these colors, to be honest. This one is a little bit thicker, and it just has pearls and like little flower diamonds. And this gives me Lou from Elite vibes. I love this one. Purchased this gold coin necklace too. I purchased it to go with the dress I bought, which I will show you guys. But I love it so much. It's really good quality too. It feels pretty like heavy. It doesn't feel like plastic. The last two accessories I bought are earrings. So I bought this little gold ear cuff. Has little diamonds on it. It's super cute. Bought these earrings. These do have kind of like a plasticky feel, but not too much. And I know that they're gonna look really nice just because they're on the bigger side. Okay, so the next couple items are all dresses. I bought a few dresses just because I feel during summer it's the easiest thing to put on. Super simple, guys. It's like when you're going to go to a grocery store during summer and you're gonna do something simple. It's just a little tie-dye dress. It's really cute. The material is actually pretty good too, so I was really impressed about that. It feels like a t-shirt. It's just like a little t-shirt dress. The next one I bought is definitely one of my favorites. It looks kind of funky, and I know that my family's gonna make fun of me for this, but it's fine. It kind of reminds me like of a maid dress. It has a collar like this, and it cinches in the back right here, so it looks really nice on. And then it has this pattern, which I can already hear that I'm gonna look like a mantel, but it's fine. The next dress I have is a cheetah print dress, and this one's so cute. I really love this one as well, and it's super comfy. And it has little ruffles at the bottom, and you just tie it up here. So you tie it up here, and then it just hangs. Super comfortable and flowy, and I think it's perfect for summer. The next dress I bought, I really love this dress so much. It's a little big, but I think I can fix it. It kind of fits big on the waist and on the upper area of my body. So it's a one shoulder dress, and the sleeves are like puffy, and the bottom of the dress, as you go down, you find like these layers of ruffles on it, and it's so beautiful. The bottom is just like all ruffly, which I love, and it's kind of like a asymmetrical dress. Okay, so the last dress I bought is definitely my favorite dress just because it's so versatile. Like I can wear it with heels or wedges, flats, and accessory wise too. I can accessorize it with so many different things, and it's just a baby doll. I think they're called baby doll dresses. So it looks like this. It's white, and it has like little ties right here. You can tie it, and then it literally just flows. It is amazing. I love it so much. The next item I bought was a skirt, and I bought this skirt because I was going to pair it with a shirt. I will show you guys. It looks big, but it's because it's like a tie around one, so you kind of tie it around your waist, and then there's like a little bow here, and it's just a camel color. Is this camel? I don't know. It looks like camel to me. And it's leather, and the material's actually really nice as well on this skirt. Bought it to go with my shirt, so I'm going to jump into the shirts now. I think this skirt, I like it just because it's so versatile as well. I can dress it up and I can also dress it really casual. Feels really like cottony and really like cozy. And I thought this would be the perfect shirt with this skirt. I just feel like they would look so cute together for a casual look, which I am obsessed with. The next shirt that I bought, I also really love. I'm impressed with the material and I think it just looks so beautiful. It says no bad days, living on cloud 9. And it looks like this, and the material's pretty thick too, and it's so cute. I think tucked into some jeans. This would look really cute, or shorts for summer. But yeah, I really love this shirt. I think this is my favorite shirt out of the 3 I bought. This one's definitely my favorite. It's just so cozy and airy, and I think I can pair it with so many things too. And the colors to it are beautiful. The material to the shirt I just didn't like. I was not impressed with it. It was really thin and tight. Like, let me show it to you guys. So I thought this would look really cute with like some white jeans tucked in and the heels, but the material is just really tight, and I feel like during summer it just feels really like sweaty. I don't know. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know what items you liked, or let me know what items you've purchased from Shein that you recommend. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!